Step 4. Build reliable supplier relationships. Your suppliers directly affect your reputation. Look for suppliers who offer high-quality products, competitive pricing, consistent production, on-time delivery, certifications, transparent communication. Always request product samples before placing large orders. Step 5. Find international buyers. Without customers, there is no business. Ways to find buyers: B2B marketplaces, trade exhibitions, international business directories, LinkedIn networking, email marketing company websites, industry associations trade missions. Develop long-term relationships rather than focusing only on one-time sales. Step 6. Understand shipping and logistics. Efficient logistics are essential. Choose the right shipping method. Air freight. Fast. Expensive. Best for urgent deliveries. Sea freight. Affordable. Suitable for bulk shipments. Longer delivery time. Courier services. Best for small packages. Easy tracking. Reliable for e-commerce businesses. Work with experienced freight forwarders to simplify international shipping. Step 7. Learn international payment methods. Secure payment systems reduce business risk. Common payment methods include letter of credit, LC, bank transfer, advance payment, documentary collection, digital international payment platforms. Always verify buyers before shipping products. Step 8. Understand customs regulations. Every country has different customs rules. Learn about HS codes, import duties, export taxes, product certifications, required documentation, packaging standards, labeling requirements. Accurate documentation prevents costly delays. Step 9. Create a professional online presence. In 2026, every import-export company needs a digital identity. Create professional website, company email, LinkedIn page, product catalog, digital brochures, social media profiles. Use AI tools to create marketing materials and communicate with international clients efficiently. Step 10. Use AI to grow faster. Artificial intelligence is transforming global trade. AI can help with market research, demand forecasting, price optimization, customer support translation, email writing inventory management, supply chain analysis lead generation. Businesses using AI often make faster and more informed decisions.